Taylor Swift is fully in her Toy Story 5 era, sharing a sweet throwback photo with her brother Austin ahead of the film's release. The nostalgic snap instantly puts Swifties in their feels as Taylor leans into childhood memories and Pixar magic. The adorable pic shows a curly-haired Taylor glowing in her cowgirl costume, while little Austin sits in the background looking totally confused. Honestly, that sibling contrast is giving peak relatable energy. Taylor captioned it, "Tomorrow we get TS5. Oh, how I love this phenomenal movie," sharing her excitement for the release. She also gave fans a peek into her songwriting process for the track "I Knew It, I Knew You," which dropped earlier this month. From watching Toy Story 5 to getting instantly inspired, she went straight into creative mode and turned that moment into an end-credit song. By the same day, the track was already in production, vocals were being recorded, and industry heads were set to hear it within hours, making it feel like a full cinematic rush of creativity.
Kind of a hectic day. At 11 a.m. went to go see Toy Story 5, got so inspired, got the songwriter zoomies, went home, wrote the end credit song for Toy Story 5. We have now produced it and I'm doing vocals. It's 6:57 p.m. In 2 hours, Bob Iger and Tom from Pixar are coming to hear it. We have not recorded it yet. And I think this is one of the most fun days of my life.
She also attended the Los Angeles premiere alongside Tom Hanks, Tim Allen, Joan Cusack, and more, even performing the song live for the audience and sharing a special duet moment with Pixar legend Randy Newman. Follow, subscribe, and share Life Matters for more Taylor Swift achievements updates.